One of the enigmatic characters in Indian finance and business is the Kotak Mahindra Group. Kotak Mahindra Group is run by Uday Kotak. Let's take a look. Welcome back to Berich. Uday Kotak was very famous, is today a very famous financier and a banker. But in the India's closed society in 1980s, he started small, which was into cotton trading. With a small seed capital of money from friends and relatives, he started up a company which would engage in bill discounting and financing. One of his first companies to which he financed was the Tata Group Nelco. Nelco at that time was raising money at very high rates from banks. He quickly calculated that a Tata company would not default and decided to lend money to Nelco at cheaper rates by raising money directly from public deposit and started making the arbitrage. That was the start of the Kotak Mahindra empire. He rapidly expanded into bill discounting, non-banking finance companies, basically financing cars. He also expanded his business into giving personal loans. The secret sauce was his super efficient collection mechanism. In 2003, he was one of the first to receive a banking license. When larger established bank companies like Sundaram Finance refused to become a bank, Uday Kotak grabbed this opportunity with both hands and decided to become a banker. Kotak, who started his life as a stockbroker and a NBFC, now rapidly grew into becoming into one of India's largest banks. One of his boldest moves was by merging with the ING Vaisya Bank, which was part owned by the Vaisya Group and the ING Dutch conglomerate. This allowed him to expand and double his stocks. Today, his net worth is about $16 billion, and his net control over the Kotak Mahindra Bank is 30%, and he is under pressure from the Reserve Bank to bring it down to 20%. When ILFS got into trouble, the government turned to Uday Kotak to turn this around. Uday Kotak has also made several strategic investments and his holding company for many strong brands. In fact, when Pearson Group acquired Business Standard, but under the FDI rules could not own Business Standard, Uday Kotak stepped in to own Business Standard, runs a company which owns Business Standard for Pearson, and even though Business Standard is the most popular Indian newspaper, is not really making much money. There are many such feathers to the Uday's cap. The most famous being that he wanted to be a cricketer, was a batsman and a bowler, when he was turned 20, he got hit by a cricket ball, and which required an emergency operation to set him right. And he gave up playing cricket and turned to his next big passion, which was finance. So, what was cricket's loss has turned out to be finance gains. Uday Kotak's bank, Kotak Mahindra, is the costliest bank in the stock market, nearly trading 7 to 8 times its book value and out of reach for most of value investors today. Thank you for watching Be Rich. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification. If you use Kindle, you can buy the book using the Kindle link given below. If you want a hard copy, send a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would get in touch with you. At the very end, if you want to get in touch with me, please send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. I am grateful for your support of Berich.